Stephen was sitting under the old oak tree, staring at the ground with a frown on his face. He had been asked to clean the shed earlier, but instead of starting, he had spent the whole morning playing with his toy cars. Now, the sunlight was fading, and the pile of tools and boxes in the shed was still untouched. "Grandpa," Stephen sighed, "I just can't get myself to do it. I feel tired and I don't even want to start." Grandpa, who was slowly walking toward him with his cane, gave a soft smile. "Stephen, let me tell you something important. There's a difference between feeling lazy and being tired. Laziness is when your mind convinces you to do nothing, even though you are capable. Tiredness is when your body genuinely needs rest. Most of the time, what you call being tired is just laziness in disguise." Stephen tilted his head. "But Grandpa, it's so hard to start. Every time I think about cleaning the shed, I just feel like sitting here forever." Grandpa nodded. "I know, my boy. That feeling is normal. But let me tell you a story about a young boy, not so different from you, who learned why taking action matters more than waiting for motivation. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Leo. Leo loved to dream. He dreamed of building the most beautiful treehouse in his village, a place where all his friends could gather. He imagined it in his mind every day, thinking about every detail. But every time he tried to start, he felt lazy. The wood felt too heavy, the nails too small, and the work too hard. So he waited for the perfect moment when he would feel motivated. Days turned into weeks, and the treehouse remained only in Leo's mind. One day, he noticed another boy in the village had built a simple, sturdy treehouse. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. His friends were playing there, laughing, enjoying themselves. Leo felt a sting in his heart. If he had started, even without motivation, he would have had his own treehouse to enjoy. Stephen's eyes widened. So he wasted all that time just waiting? Grandpa nodded slowly. Yes, waiting for motivation is a trap. Motivation comes and goes, but action creates results. The secret is to start, even when you don't feel like it. Once you take the first step, the next one becomes easier. Momentum builds, and before you know it, what seemed impossible becomes possible. Stephen bit his lip, thinking about the pile of boxes in the shed. "But Grandpa, what if I fail? What if I mess up?" Grandpa crouched beside him and spoke softly. "Stephen, failing is part of doing. No one succeeds without trying and sometimes failing. The boy who built the treehouse may have made mistakes with the wood or nails, but he learned. Every mistake is a lesson. The only real failure is doing nothing." Stephen looked at the shed again. He imagined the tools neatly arranged, the floor clean, and the sense of pride he would feel. A small spark of determination appeared in his eyes. "Start small, Stephen," Grandpa said. "Pick up one tool. Move one box. You don't have to finish everything at once. The important thing is to begin. The moment you take action, laziness loses its power." Stephen nodded slowly. He stood up, dusted off his shorts, and walked toward the shed. With Grandpa watching patiently, he picked up the first box and carried it to the corner. It wasn't perfect, but it was a start. Then he grabbed another and another, feeling a little stronger with each movement. By the time the sun was low in the sky, Stephen had cleaned most of the shed. He looked around and felt a deep sense of accomplishment. He realized that the hardest part wasn't the work itself, it was taking the first step. Once he started, everything became easier. Grandpa smiled and rested a hand on Stephen's shoulder. "See, my boy, laziness only has power if you let it. Action is stronger than excuses. Every time you choose to act, even when you don't feel like it, you are training your mind and building your strength. Stephen grinned, feeling proud. I understand now, Grandpa. Waiting for motivation is just an excuse. Starting is what really matters. Grandpa nodded, his eyes warm with pride. Remember this lesson, Stephen. Laziness is temporary, but the results of your action can last a lifetime. Start today. Start now, and let action, not excuses, guide your life. Stephen looked at the shed, now clean and organized, and whispered to himself, I will never let laziness stop me again. And that was the beginning of his lesson on overcoming laziness and taking action, learning that real change comes from doing, not waiting.